So yeah, this is just a small video. Super nice today. Ryan's here, my sister's here, but she's my oil. Yeah, so I mean that's all we're gonna do today. I don't know if Ryan's gonna change his oil, but you know, start giving you contents. Start giving you contents. Backlash.
Damn, last time I was in a video, my ass was fat.
Ha. Ha. Alright, let's get started. Damn, mine makes no noise. Look at this beast. Damn, let's hear a word from the owner.
Google Mini.
You wipe your mouth. We're about to change the oil on my car. You change the oil on your car too? What? Alright. Come on, just bring it on. Let's do it. About to change the oil on this boy. Oil filter is like super convenient. Well, let me show you the size of the oil filter. For any BRZ FRS GT86, that's the oil filter. And then I use this oil. Like, yeah. As on the forums, I said this is the best oil to use. So before we even go down in the bottom, we just change the top. Just screw shit out, toss it out. Super easy. That's the bolt. This is the guardrail. So just unhook this, put your pan under there. Our pan's here. Yeah, and just drain that hole.
So,
It's bigger, right? Hey,
what size?
How did you get that?
What size?
I don't know, bigger than 12.
Okay.
Let's see, I'll tell you. Bigger than this too.
14.
Yeah, this is fine. So it's what?
14 millimeter.
14 milliliter. That's gonna fit on the knob I just showed you.
Does it go straight down?
Huh?
This point is straight down.
What, the knot? Yeah, it's fine straight down.
See if I can get a close up there. Oh yeah. Turn that nut.
Bro, it's just tight. Am I even?
Come on, put your muscles in it.
Come on, nigga. Got it. No, I didn't. I almost wronged it. Oh shit, I think I wronged it.
Nigga. Oh. Too slow. You twat.
Yo, this should drain it or not?
Is it?
I don't know. Doesn't look like it.
Put your hand in the middle part and see if you can pull up the
Oh, too late anyways. Everything's done.
Oh. I think it is draining. That'd be some shit.
Yeah, it's right. It's good.
Yo. Penis.
You back,
I
bud.
don't even fucking see this shit on the camera. Nigga waiting till the little drops come out and shit.
It was so personal. Oops. Yo, you got. Oh wait, I had to see on this. Oh no.
So after you drain it, what did you do?
Huh?
So after you drained it, what did you do?
Plug it back.
People need to know this.
Yeet. Yeah, well, finish draining, yeet. And then you just put the plug that we just took out back in. And where's that shit I just gave you?
You didn't give me shit.
I didn't give you shit.
No, it's probably above your head.
Alrighty.
So he tightened it.
Yee.
Alright.
You know what? For the views. Alright, good. Yeah.
Bruh, for the views, and then you strip that shit.
It looks stripped already. Actually, that was the paint that came off.
I'm talking about the fucking the threads.
Oh.
And the goddamn nut just be spinning it. So what oil are you using?
Oh, I already showed him.
Oh. That mobile.
0W20. I thought it wasn't gonna be plausible, but most of the forums said it, so you know, forums are God. Come on.
Come on, don't look like a fag for the YouTube. So 3 years later, and here come this one. It's still the fucking show. Little shit.
Hello? A funnel, finale.
Hey, doggo.
Doghead.
Little twat.
Hey, Benchy.
So where do you pour this? In the radiator?
Alternator.
Alternator fluid?
This is the blinker fluid.
You sure you don't? That's not the radiator. Why are you going so high?
Cause
I'm trying to make sure the air come out.
I'm so high I can go. Poor bitch.
You need a ladder?
I always remember, put the pinky up, bro. Ah, fuck!
Bro, what an idiot. Yo.
Take my oil. Dude, this shit takes one degree.
Why are you behind me breathing?
Yo, get the hell out of here, Buffalo Wild Wings.
Pulling the Zach hair on my shoulder.
That's it? What's one bottle?
You gonna drink that? What are you looking for, Jesus?
I just wanted to see the Alright, we gotta go get a quart more. Ryan's driving Sophia's car.
My car.
My car. Squish. 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 Oh man, I look like a junkie. Never mind. The AutoZone is right here. Wait, did she give you my card? Get in the zone. Let's go get it. On the hunt, hunt. Bro, their computers are down. How? And they got the doors open. I'm salty. We got one, well, 5 and a, I don't know, what's that, quart? 6 quarts? It's all done. So just check this, I just wiped it, so it's right there. That's decent. So, we're gonna put this in there. Let me just hold this to you. Yeet, damn, this shit's black.
Damn, bro, what you running, a turbo? This look like my fucking oil.
Dude, I made that shit go 500 over the actual thing it needs to be because of time, obviously. There we go. We take this shit back to AutoZone. All right, so that's done. They're gonna we're gonna end the day going to the range. They're going to the range. I gotta do you know, growing up people shite. So yeah, cut to the clips from the range, and this is it for today's vlog, guys. Enjoy your rainy day.
We're shooting big boy guns today. Isn't that right?
Huh?
Shooting big boy guns. Yo.
Right now. Okay. It's a speed shot, a speed shooting down the road. Yeah, I know. Yo, those are fucking lasers. Yo, his whole rig, press that little over forward or down. Yep, straight down. All right, safety is off. So I'm gonna help you out. Ready? Safety off. Right grip. Make sure it's up here. Okay, let me get on your left side. Extend it. Bring your arm right there. Left hand. Lift the thumb up. There we go, right there. Hold on to that nice and tight. Okay. Grip it. I can feel how certain. There it is. Close that gap up. Lock your arms out. Right foot back. Right foot back. Just take a step forward. Take a step forward. All right. Lock them all the way out. I'm just kind of like lay down on the side, all right? This is the safety right here. It's on safe right now. Flick it up and fire. Okay. Whenever I'm standing here. There you go. Make sure you hold on to it and fire when ready. There it is.
Alright, so we're at Guns for Hire. It's pretty lit. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a bunch of gunshots going off. This is our second time here with this little shit. Look at my hair. But yeah, this is a lit place. We in Woodland, New Jersey. Like I said, Guns for Hire.